Leverage over 23 years of rapid manufacturing expertise, available to you on demand with Xcentric Mold and Engineering. At Xcentric, we know each part we manufacture is much more than just a piece of plastic. Our digital manufacturing process enables our customers' visions, increases agility, and reduces risk in their supply chain. Automation moves projects through each step of the process, enabling us to complete thousands of projects each year. The cleanliness of our plants, the streamlined process flow, the built-in efficiencies, and the emphasis each one of our employees puts on each customer's part is evident to our customers. Xcentric works with your designers to provide best practices and suggestions to improve the quality and performance of your molded part without compromising your design intent. Our expert tooling engineers then design a mold to meet your exact requirements. Every detail is checked to ensure your part is built to the quality specifications you expect every time, including storing and maintaining your molds for future part runs. All molds are built in one of our 2 Michigan-based facilities. Our CNC team, utilizing our internal expert system, which automates much of our programming, manufactures our customers' molds in our state-of-the-art facility. Our molding department, also in-house, then processes your parts with precision and care. The Xcentric process engine is the driving force behind our molding department. It analyzes the internal cavity pressure and guides the process technician to the optimal pressure to fill the part, free of the stresses that can lead to warping, size variations, and cosmetic issues. The engine is also used to certify every future part order, never taking for granted that just because a part looks good, it is good. Partner with Xcentric for our US-based, on-demand, rapid manufacturing expertise to add manufacturing agility and reduce supply chain risk.